Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th chapter number 7 in English grammar, the simple past and the past continuous tense. So let us start. Our first topic is simple past tense, where we are using simple past tense for an action that started and ended in the past. For example, I saw a ghost last Friday. So I saw a ghost when? Before, and last Friday, it means it's already happened or it's already ended. Next, in a simple past tense, for repeated action in the past, it means in a past action will be repeated again and again. For example, when I was young, I watched a lot of TV every day. Second example, I always gave flowers to my mother. In a simple past tense, third, regular and irregular past simple verbs. We are talking about the verb. It means I talked to my uncle yesterday. It means when he talked yesterday with his uncle. Next, I felt sick yesterday, so I went to the doctor. When he was sick yesterday. Now, our second topic is past continuous tense, where we are using past continuous tense when talking about two actions in the past. One continues for a period or time and the other starts and ends in the past. For example, while I was talking on the phone, someone stole my car. It means I am quite busy to do the conversation on a phone and someone stole my car. Next example, I was making my breakfast when my sister knocked the door. It means what I am doing, I am just busy to making a breakfast. On that time, my sister knocked the door. This sentence usually use when and while. When for a short action. We were using when for a short action and while especially we are using for a long action. In a past continuous tense, we will work on these main things. To talk about two actions in the past, both happening over a period. For example, I was working my computer and my children were watching television. It means I was working on my computer. On that time, my children also watching television. Next, to talk about temporary activities taking place over a period of time. For example, I was living in Boston when happened. It means I am living in Boston. It is a place name and something will be happen on that time. Next, she was traveling to New York while her parents were touring Italy. It means I am or she was traveling on that time New York and on same time her parents were touring Italy. In a past simple tense, how we are creating or changing affirmative statements or sentence. Affirmative sentence we also called as positive sentence. First we are using subject, then verb. Verb will be regular or irregular plus complement. For example, I played soccer last week. Next, I saw the movie yesterday. Same manner, in a negative statements, we are creating or we are using, especially in a negative statements, first subject, and for a negativity we are using did plus did not plus verb. Verb will be in a base form plus complement. For example, I didn't play soccer last week. In a question or in an interrogative simple tense, we are using did plus main subject plus verb in a base form plus complement, and we are using specially question mark because this is a integrative sentence. Example are, did I play soccer last week? In a past continuous tense, when we are creating or making the affirmative sentence or statements, we will work on this main things. First, subject plus we are using was, were plus verb with ing and complement. For example, I was playing soccer with my friends. I was studying for the exam. In the same manner, negative statements, we will work on these things. First, subject plus was and were we are using plus not. With not we are using verb with ing plus complement. For example, I was not playing soccer with my friends. In a question or in an interrogative sentence, how can we will change? First, did plus subject plus verb with a base form or with a basic form plus complementary, and compulsory we will put question mark. For example, were you playing soccer, and put question mark. Now, my dear one student, this is all about of the chapter. I hope you understand each and everything. But if you have any doubt, any query, you will ask me in a live session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.